But what a bull he's matched up with. Happy Camper from the Two-Bit Nation. I want you to watch it back on the replay, and as Jackson Scott takes a moment to recollect his thoughts. This bull is the reigning PBR Canada Bull of the Year and has been selected to go to the World Finals in Las Vegas. That bull rider is a superstar, but so is that bull. I need you to salute Jackson Scott. As you can see that he is on the arena floor in obvious pain, but I need you to salute our stock contractors as well. And there's a look at it as Jackson takes a shot from that bull. We saw it back on the second or third view of that replay as our medical staff, along with members of our Canadian Pro Rodeo Sports Medicine team, are quick to the aid.